Hello, everybody. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson joining you on this Thursday after round one. We got another round of snow coming on Friday. This FASTCAST is going to get to the facts you need fast. First, though, my friends at Robert Gibbons Sons will throw in a free water heater with the purchase of an HVAC system upgrade. Give them a call today. It comes with a great warranty. It's the quality equipment from Bryant, whatever it takes to get the job done with a 10-year warranty on parts and a 3-year labor warranty. Call them up today. Let them know that Hutch sent you. Let's get right to it. All right, as we take a look at the forecast map here, we're going to look at one model, giving you some idea of the timing for the snow showers as we go through Friday. It begins in the morning out west and moves into our area midday. Let's get started with that. Then we'll compare some snowfall amounts and the early look with this storm. Some areas picking up some measurable snow for sure. Now let me pull up a model here that's, pardon me, going to get us out just a bit farther in time. And here we go. Oh, I don't like that one. Let's go with this one. There we go. I'm sorry. Okay, so as we go through the day today, very quiet. We'll have some clear skies out there, and it does look like by the time we get to the overnight hours, there'll be snow developing in the oil patch. Some of it moderate, so a dash of snow in the midnight hour working its way out through the oil patch. Look at this Highway 2 corridor, mainly down to the Highway 200 corridor with rain showers down south of that. Here comes the event working its way eastward as we go towards daybreak in the Devil's Lake Basin. That's when it hits their Grand Forks. Notice it's leaning a little bit more into the Northern Valley first with a heavier dose of precipitation in southern South Dakota. This event becomes lighter as we go into the morning hours, and then by the time we get to midday, we might see some light snow showers here in the FM area with a heavier dose of snow possible down in northeast South Dakota. So just a light layer on top of the event, and again, it's in and out. There's a morning time frame here up in the Northern Valley of around 8 to 9 a.m., and it looks like the timing here in the Southern Valley is going to be between 10 and 1 p.m. with some light precipitation. It'll come with the increase in clouds, your brief precipitation event, and then it's on to clear skies, which sets the stage up for some cooling into the overnight hours. So Hutch's updated 7-day forecast shows temperatures today reaching those mid to upper 30s. Tomorrow, 25 in the morning, increasing clouds, a trace to 3 inches is your hint. Let's take a look at a model comparison on the snowfall potential with this system. So bear with me while I switch this out, and we'll compare a couple of models, and we're going to look at snowfall amounts here. So we'll switch this over here real quickly. We're looking at 24-hour snowfall totals. By the time we get to, say, a Thursday night, let's see here, Friday night rather. So here's Friday evening, and let's go. Here's a look at the European model, keeping most of the heavier snow right along that Highway 2 corridor and points south. So between Highway 200 and Highway 2, heavier band of snow, and maybe into southeast North Dakota, says the European model, and that's 1 to 3 inches, with a couple areas a little more, many of us a little bit less. Now, as we go through, notice this thing runs out of most of its snowfall potential by the time it gets to Fargo, but this particular model from the Canadians has it shifted southward a little bit. Here's a look at the American model, way different and way heavier in southwest North Dakota. If this pans out, we need that, but I'm not buying because that just hasn't done very well the last couple of model runs. Here's a German model, and it too, like the European model, showing more of a bullseye along the Highway 200 to Highway 2 corridor, 1 to 3 inches, but it does have an isolated big winter out there as we look down just south of you folks in the Billings County area off to the east of you in McKenzie County. All right, as we take a look at the North American model blowing it up there in parts of northeast South Dakota, let me explain. The North American model does tend to overdo some of the snowfall events that we have in our area, but we'll keep our eyes on it because things will change. Bottom line, it looks like the heavier snow, wow, look at this North American model really blowing it up. This is a high resolution convection allowing model, and it says look out here in parts of northern South Dakota. Not sold on this whatsoever. We'll see what the higher resolution models do with this as we go through time. Here's a look at another Canadian model, and again, a little bit farther south of a shift. Generally 1 to 3 inches with a few pockets a little bit higher than that. For Fargo Grand Forks, looks like it runs out of some of its oomph by the time it arrives in our neck of the woods. Meteorologist Hutch Johnson, thanks for watching. Hey, make sure you tune in here in just a little bit. My weather kid tonight will be Nora, and Nora will be here to help me with the weather. I can't wait to introduce you to her. You can sign up at Luther Family Ford. That's where we do the event. And tune in to my Facebook page and drop some comments here for this junior cloud expert, Nora Farnan, helping Hutch do the weather tonight. More information on how to sign up at hutchesweather.com. But for now, have a wonderful day with a break from the snow and get ready for some more Friday flakes, particularly out west.